Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. We are excited to launch our brand new course, Time Management for 5-Star Hotel Servers. In this course, you will discover how every second counts in luxury dining and how professionals use timing to create unforgettable guest experiences. Join us as we explore the secret rhythm behind world-class hospitality. The art of perfect timing. In the world of luxury dining, timing is everything. From serving a course at the perfect moment to responding instantly to a guest's need, great service is built on precision. This course will show you how top servers master their timing to deliver both speed and grace without ever showing the rush. Pre-shift power routine. A great service begins long before the first guest arrives. We will guide you through the perfect pre-shift routine that sets professionals apart. Learn how preparation, coordination, and attention to detail ensure smooth service flow throughout your shift. Prioritizing with precision. Every second in a restaurant counts, and knowing what to do first makes all the difference. Here, you will learn how to prioritize tasks smartly while managing multiple tables and demands. We will show you how teamwork, focus, and calm decision-making turn a busy shift into effortless excellence. The 4 golden stages of dining service. Every 5-star dining experience follows a flow. From guest arrival and order taking to course service and billing, each stage has its rhythm. In this course, you will learn to manage every stage with timing, focus, and professionalism to create a seamless guest journey. Pacing and guest flow. Luxury service is not about speed alone, it is about perfect pacing. You will learn to read guest cues, coordinate with kitchen teams, and maintain a calm rhythm under pressure. We will help you create a dining experience that feels smooth, elegant, and effortless. Handling multiple tables like a pro. Imagine a busy dining room with multiple tables calling for attention at once. This section helps you develop strategies to stay composed, efficient, and precise under peak hour pressure. With the right approach, even the busiest shift can feel organized and rewarding. The final impression. A guest's last moment is just as important as their first. We will teach you how to handle billing, payments, and farewells with subtlety and professionalism. Leave every guest with a lasting positive impression that ensures they want to return again and again. Reflect, reset, and improve. After the guests leave, true professionals take time to reflect. You will learn how to review your performance, record guest feedback, and reset for the next shift. Small improvements every day lead to long-term excellence in hospitality. Your journey toward mastering time management and precision service is about to begin. We are thrilled to bring you this upcoming course, designed to help you perform with confidence and elegance in every situation. Time management for 5-star hotel servers is coming soon, exclusively from Hospitality Engineering. Get ready to elevate your service, your speed, and your success.